Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag. It's going to be on the Gucci Marmont shoulder bag. I actually did an unboxing on this about 2 months ago, and so I'm super excited to share what I've been putting inside this bag, as well as like a mini review at the end for those of you who are interested in this bag. So I feel like it's been so long since I've done a what's in my bag, so I thought for the new year it'd be great to just share one of my favorite videos to watch. So before we get started, if you have not already, definitely hit that subscribe button below so that you can get notified for videos like these. I love doing fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos, so if you want to see more of that, definitely hit that subscribe button. Also, anything I mention as far as what's in my bag or the bag itself, I'll have that link below so that you guys could check it out if you want to. So without further ado, let's get right into what's in my bag. So a little overview of what kind of bag this is. This is a crossbody bag. So I love using this bag like if I'm traveling or on the weekends. This is definitely not like my everyday go-to bag, but when I do use it, I have been using it though more recently because I've been loving adding a pop of red to my outfits. So let's get right into what's inside. So it has a zipper top like this. And the first thing are actually my keys. I have this little Spade key pouch, which I really love because when you invest in bags like this and the leather is a little bit more delicate, you don't want your keys like scratching your bag as you're trying to like put them into your bag, if that makes sense. So like when you're, I've noticed a lot with other bags in the past that like they'd have all these marks and nicks in it in the leather because my keys, because they're so rigid on the end, they would actually, mark my bag up. So I keep them all in this Spade little pouch, as well as like say my gym membership and stuff like that. So it's all in one spot, which I really like. And I actually got this from the outlet for like $25, which is a really good deal. So really love this, and just any kind of key case I would really recommend. Then I have my wallet, and the current wallet I have is this Spade wallet, and this really pretty like dusty peony color. Inside the wallet you have like the little license area, which I really like, and then lots of room for like just cash and cards. I have my business cards in here. And yeah, just really love how much space actually fits in this wallet, which is really good. And you can fit a lot of cards, and change in the back. Next is a pair of sunglasses. So yes, this bag does fit a really, you think it's pretty small, but it actually does fit. Like, I was surprised by how much it fit. Let's put it that way. So I have my Ray-Bans in here, and I have the pink mirrored ones. Really love these. And they come in handy, especially like when I'm driving and the sun's like bright in my eyes. So very handy to always have sunglasses with you. You never know when it's gonna be like super sunny and it's gonna be like annoying to be out and then you don't have your sunglasses. And then what I do not have in here is actually my phone, but I obviously am not gonna keep it in my purse like around like when I'm at home. So my phone though would be in there, and it does fit fine. I have the iPhone 6S. The battery on it is so bad lately. I don't know what it is. Like, it just drains so fast. So I have comment below if you have a problem with your iPhone battery, because mine has been terrible. And by the way, I have this little background. It says grateful on it. It's like blush. I actually have it from my Pinterest page. So if you want to check out my Pinterest, and you could save this photo, put it as your background. So that was super cute. And then I have this little Chanel compact. This is actually, it doubles as a mirror and a perfume. So it's a solid perfume compact. So it's really pretty, this like pink case, which I thought was super cute. My mom and my dad actually got this for me for Christmas. I thought it was so thoughtful and so cute. So it has the mirror inside, and then it has this little applicator to like put the solid perfume on. And then you just flip this little top here, and then it has a solid perfume. It smells so amazing. It's really pretty. So I thought this was super cute. Even when the perfume runs out, I'll still have this really pretty pink. I'll have this really pretty pink Chanel case. And then what else? I have the lipstick that I'll wear for the day. more likely than not lately it's been Brave by MAC. If you saw my last video, it'll be no surprise to you. It's just like the perfect everyday color, so like pretty much whatever I'm wearing, it works. And then, so I'm gonna always have the lipstick. And then I have some earphones. And then I, of course, for those of you who know me, you know I love Cliff Bars. And I love these on the go. Like, they're great for like having more energy. I know they're not like the most nutritious thing ever, but they're better than having a candy bar. So this is the Cliff Bar. I love the chocolate chip recently, and I don't know, I think they're really yummy. So oh, and then on the side little pocket here, it just has like the Gucci, and it says Gucci responsibility. I don't know, I just keep this in here so I don't lose it. And then I have some band-aids, and what is this? It came like with this like swatch of leathers in the bag. I guess I kept that in there too. But I have some band-aids in case like my feet start hurting from whatever shoes I'm wearing. I actually brought this on my recent trip to New York City, so that's probably why I have extra band-aids in here. So yeah, that's everything that I have inside my bag. And so if you're here for the review portion of this Gucci bag, then that's what I'm gonna do right now. So overall, this is the Gucci Marmont shoulder bag. So it's called a shoulder bag, but it's like pretty much a cross body. You can adjust the strap. There's 1, 2, 3, about 5 notches that you could adjust the bag to. I have it on actually the like shortest notch, and on me it hits right at the hip. So I don't know, like to me the longest one would be really awkward on me, and I'm 5'7", so I guess if you're taller than 5'7", you might want to like use like make it a little bit longer. All right, so I'm 5'7", and this is where it hits me. My hips are like right here. So the bag, as you can see, sits right here. It's on the tightest notch. And then it has this little like tassel detail, which I thought was super cute addition. So I usually, more than not, I'll like wear this cross body. This is, I don't know, I don't usually wear it on my shoulder, although once in a while I will, but I find it just more convenient to wear a cross body. The dimensions on this one, I have them written down, so I'm going to be looking at my paper. So it's 9.5 inches across, 5 inches up and down, and then a 3-inch depth. So it's a pretty nice size. They do make a smaller version. I think it's called the mini size, which is a lot smaller, and to be honest with you, I think it doesn't really fit much compared to this. So if you're between sizes, I would definitely, for like, I think it's $200 more, I would get this size, because I just think it's a lot more usable, because you could use it for every day, and you could use it, you know, for a night out. Like, it doesn't look too big to where it would be like not usable either for, you know, the evening. So this does come in a lot of colors. I think like 7 total when I last looked. They have a really pretty like nude pink color, which I really love. I was between that one and this one, but I really needed a red bag in my handbag collection, just because, you know, it's nice to have a pop of red within an outfit. So they have a gorgeous white color, a black, like very pretty classic colors. So yeah, definitely if you want to check out other colors. I love the red though, just because it's different, and I wanted like a small, I didn't want to buy like a big bag, like invest a ton of money in like such a different color. So for me, like the red, I'd rather buy a smaller Gucci bag in the red color. Overall, I think this is a nice amount, but I'm actually going to be doing a comparison video between this one and the flat bag, because they're so similar in size, but I'm going to get too far into detail because I'll do that in the video. But yeah, I think overall, if you're looking for like, it just depends on your lifestyle, and it's pretty much up to you, but for me, it's more like my travel bag, or if I want to downsize the amount I carry with me bag. So overall though, I'd say the leather is really nice and soft. It has the antique gold hardware, and then on the back it just has the Gucci emblem like stitched, and it has like the chevron print. It has the gold metal on the sides, and these are actually, it's not too heavy, which is nice, because a lot of times when bags have a chain on them, they completely weigh you down. But this is a nice lighter metal. And then this is a more like a ruthenium hardware or like a gunmetal color on the zipper, just so you're aware it's not gold. The zipper is not gold. So I don't know why they did that. I guess it makes it a little bit more like seamless. It doesn't like stand out as much. And then inside, the bag has like this very like suede like feel. Here, I'll take my clipboard out. And it has a really nice amount of size. Once in a while I will struggle to maneuver around the bag just because of the closed zipper structure of it. So, you know, it does help if you don't pack it as fully, because if you pack it to the top, you will kind of struggle to get things that are towards the bottom, and then you'll have to take stuff out. Other than that, I have to say, like, I really highly recommend this bag. I think it's super cute. I love the size of it. I would say if you're in between the mini and the small sizing, definitely go for the small. Small size is really, really nice. So I'll leave a link to this below so you could easily shop it and have the exact one that I'm talking about. So I think that's about it for this bag. If you have any questions at all, like, feel free to leave it in the comments below. I love chatting with you guys and hearing from you guys. And definitely give this video a thumbs up if you like bag reviews, so I know to do more, or like updated bag reviews, or what's in my bag, just so I know what you guys like. So I think that's about it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. As I said, everything will be linked in the description box below so that you can easily find everything. And I will talk to you very soon in my next video. Bye.